Alright, here's two Rheem heat pumps here in Isle Palm, South Carolina. This one is a 4-ton from 2018. It's a 14 SEER. Model is RP1 or RP14. And yeah, it seems like it might have been running. There's this one. It's got a Copeland straw compressor. I would assume that one does as well. This one is a 3-ton from 2019. Not a Gentech motor. I don't know where the logo is on this one. Might be facing the wall. Would have been right there if it still had it. This one just kicked on. Pretty nice and quiet, although it is slightly rattly, and that's nice and cold. It's working great.